Baby, I can't eat no more meat. I can't eat no more chicken. I can't eat no more turkey. Oh, I can't eat no more of that shit. Oh gosh, I look like a rat.
I've been recording the whole time too. So like all the sound, it's been recording all that. So, but I can edit it so. My name is Tislam the Great. This is my lovely great uncle. There's a website called ChooseVeg.com. And on the For the Animals tab, there's a video that shows you what happens to animals as they are processed and brought to you at your favorite corner sub chicken spot that you may frequent, and your generic chicken, beef, and pork that you purchase at your market that is mass produced at a factory, and basically it shows you how these animals are bred, killed, and brought to you, basically. And it's pretty horrifying. I mean, you may say, well, that's not all farmers, or the video footage looks old, but just know that if it did, these are videos of things that did happen or made. There's no, like, this isn't no reenactment shit, so it's going down. So the thing is, even if it's the farmers and these are not being sold and somehow they're doing for some sick get off, but it's going down. You know what I mean? So where do you think this meat is going? You see them in the factory. They show you them in the factories, shit being gutted and. Come on, it's real. This isn't this ain't CGI. I mean, they give you they have backup. They can show and prove their facts. Oh my God. So I don't know if as long as you got sense and knowledge in your head, when you go to this site, there's no rebuttaling what's there. So you need to make a choice for yourself. What you gonna do. Fish is my favorite dish. We got to the pig part. She made it through the chicken, and we made it through the turkeys. She made it through the cow and the veal. When the veal came through with the baby cows, woo! I mean, I'm mad I ain't had a camera on, and I know y'all like, damn, Tiz, you didn't think your YouTube mind wasn't turned. No, my YouTube mind was not turned on to record that. You know what I mean? But I'm able to catch it at the end part, the pig part. So you can see, this is her first time seeing it. I've seen it already, and yeah, I didn't really get teary-eyed because I don't eat that shit because I already really knew something. You know what I mean? But so
I don't eat beef and I don't eat pork. But now I don't eat no motherfucking chicken. I don't know. No.
But the organic is where it's at. You just gotta go straight up organic,
like the Indians,
Whole Foods.
Like the Indians,
you gotta go to Whole Foods and farmers markets is where you need to be eating, people. Basically, you know what I mean. Read your labels, pay attention. You know what I mean. Your body is your temple. My only problem is I don't work out. That's all I need to do is get that in my life, and but what we gonna do is we gonna pick where we left off. And I'm gonna let she gonna break down. She ain't gonna, cause she can't fake it, cause the shit is real. You know what I mean? So we just stopped and paused a couple times. So I'm gonna just hit play. I'm gonna let y'all see the site real quick. I'm gonna put the camera back.
I see that shit. Oh my God.
You know what I mean? We gonna get it popping right here.
They have a chance of generating profits for the company if they can make it to slaughter. Those who obviously can't make it to the slaughterhouse are shot with a captive bolt gun so that they don't waste the company's money.
Oh my
God. Moving pigs by feeding them with bait rods is one of the more common forms of abuse. Pigs animals are often packed so tightly together on unventilated trucks that their limbs snap under the weight of other terrified animals, and they sometimes freeze to the sides of the truck or die of dehydration. In fact, 400,000 pigs who are unable to walk off the truck arrive at the slaughterhouses each year. 100,000 arrive dead. These are industry figures. Some speculate that
Baby, I'm trying to use the tree eyes.
Yep.
I'm trying to use the tree eyes.
Oh, this right here is not cute.
I can't watch this. I can't watch this, baby. Please turn this off. Please turn this off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Oh my gosh, I just threw it away. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't want this shit, baby. I don't even want to touch it. Oh my god, them fish fries are so good though. Oh my gosh, is that serious?
Where? Going where?
Oh my gosh, I'm thinking how it's gonna root at me. It's turkey, but it just look like. Because it's turkey ham. Oh my gosh.